Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to the most important video of this training workshop. So in this video, we're going to put everything together and talk about a really important solution that you can use to build your online business without actually having to build it. So let me tell you something really important, a story that is essential for you to understand, and also it's something that is you're going to experience when you build your online business. So I want you to know about this. So when I started my online business, this was about 5-6 years ago. So when I started it, it took me 9 months to make my first commission. So just think about this, 9 months to make my first commission ever. And that was like a $25 commission. It wasn't like something big, right? So I worked 9 months to make my first commission. And during these like 9 months that I was just, kind of working really hard, and I had a job back then, so I couldn't just spend 24/7 on this, but I was working and I learned a lot of things. The first thing I learned was that especially after I made my first commission and I started making some more commissions after that, was that the best way to actually make money is to just copy what other people are doing. Okay, so this is what I did. When I started making some money, I started copying other affiliate marketers, and I started learning from that process, learning from copying them, and just added my own stuff, my own like strategies to it, and started making it better and better and better. Started making more money. So everything that we talked about, in this training video, in this training workshop, the high ticket training, the high ticket products, selling those big ticket products to make those big commissions, getting getting paid traffic for free using these small products that you sell up front to pay for your advertising and build a paid list to promote more products, and all that stuff that we talked about. I learned all of that by doing it and just implementing it. So after a while, what I did was I decided to start a company called Aversity. This is the very website you're actually on right now, right? So this is the company I started, and my goal with the company was to just teach affiliate marketing to people. That was just the basic goal, right? But during these the process of teaching other people, I started adding a lot of new stuff to this that really changed the dynamic of this whole company, and it turned us to a really big affiliate marketing company actually. And this was implementing a done for you system. So here's what I have for you. So Aversity is not just a website where you learn. Aversity is a website where you do everything you need to do to start a successful online business. So what's going to happen is that with the Aversity Partners Program, like what I have for you right now, you're going to be able to get a lot of cool stuff. The first thing obviously you're going to get is the education and training, right? So you're going to be able to watch me exactly make commissions. You're going to be able to see me just get traffic, build my business, and you can actually use the done for you business that we have. I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but you get the idea. The training is all here for you, ready to use, and this is proven, done for you, click by click training that you can just see and you can just copy. Now the thing with affiliate marketing is that there isn't just one way to make money online. So that's what we have inside Aversity. It's not just one way to make money. There are multiple ways for you to just implement the strategies, and you gotta figure out you're gonna learn to implement different strategies based on the product you're promoting. Okay, so you're gonna learn all these things, all these training, detailed traffic trainings, like building your funnels if you want to do that, all that stuff inside Aversity to build a successful online business. Now the second thing I want to talk about is something that is just crucial to your success if you want to make money online. Okay, so this is really, really important. And one of the things that you're going to experience is that when you start, even if you have the best training in the world, okay, you're gonna have a lot of questions because it's not something you've done before, right? So you're kind of new to this whole thing, and along the way you're gonna have a lot of questions. You might run into some problems that you need help with. So most of the times what people do is they go out, they ask other people, they waste a couple of days or weeks actually to figure something out, and they move on. If they figure it out, well, they figure it out, but if they don't, they just compromise, right? So with Aversity, That's not going to happen, because this is not just the training, this is the mentorship and coaching that you're going to get. So we have a coaching section inside Aversity where you can contact us, you can ask questions and get answers almost immediately. And we post coaching videos every week, or like sometimes a couple of videos every week, to actually help out our members, answer questions if it's something that we need to make a video about, if it's something that other members also can use to learn. Okay, so we're going to make videos about this. So like we have an active community of people, hundreds of people are posting new stuff every day, and we have thousands of members. At this point we have 4,500 something members. So people are just posting, constantly posting, communicating with each other, and this is what you get. As a community, you're gonna be able to get your answers real quick if you have any problems. Okay, and also you're gonna be able to just communicate with other members, ask about their progress, how they're doing, and all that stuff. So it's an amazing community, and this is where you get your answers. If you need coaching, you're gonna be able to contact us, and we're gonna help you out to just move forward with your problem and just get it resolved as soon as possible. So this is what you get inside Aversity. This is something that you're not gonna get anywhere else out there. Because again, this is not just about training, it's about helping you to actually implement these strategies, right? So this is another thing you're going to get inside Aversity. And one more thing which is really important is that, and this is something we've talked about, is the funnels and the system. Okay, so now you have the education, we have the training, right? You have the training, now you have the coaching. The next logical step is for you to get the system. So this is basically the secret ingredient here. So you're not just going to get the training and coaching, you're going to get the system. So you're going to be able to get the system where we have done for you funnels. So all you got to do is just send traffic to earn commissions if you want to do that. Okay, if you want to use our done for you online, our done for you funnels. If you have done for you sales pages, we have done for you like videos that you can use, all that stuff. It's just done for you, ready for you to use. How amazing is that? So it's another thing that you're not going to get anywhere. Imagine you sign up for ClickBank. You're not going to get the training on ClickBank. You're not going to get the coaching, right? You're not going to get the system, because all you get is just these products to sell. You're not going to get the system. You're not going to get proven done for you funnels for you to use, right? So this is another thing that you can get, and about like 30-40% of people who join Aversity join for this. The system, the amazing system that we have, and tools that you can use. Because I've talked about in previous videos, I've talked about the high ticket commissions, right? That's an important factor in becoming successful in affiliate marketing, and that's something we have. You can earn commissions up to $3,000 per sale. $3,000 per sale. So this is what I mean when I say you have the system done for you, ready for you to use. So we have those big high ticket systems that you can use to make these big commissions if you want to go that way. And one more thing to close this video is we have that cheap upfront products that you can promote to make those big commissions. If you remember, I talked about this in one of my videos, when I mentioned, getting paid traffic for free. So I had this cheap upfront product I was selling, and I would build that list and use that to promote more products. And in Aversity, we actually have that done for you, ready for you to use. So we have all these cheap upfront really valuable products that you can sell, and we're going to get automatically, we're going to convert these customers to high-end buyers, and you're going to get those commissions. So how awesome is that? So what I mean by like the system is all done for you, ready for you to use. All right, so guys, to close this video, if you're ready to join Aversity's Partners Program, this is the program that we're offering, the Aversity Partners Program. So if you're ready to join, all you gotta do is just click under this link, under this video, click the button to get it started. It's gonna cost you $49 a month, but remember, this is something that you're gonna be, the value that you're gonna get out of this, and the business that you're gonna be able to build is just gonna pay 10 times, 20 times over this really quick. So don't think about this $49. Think about the money that you're going to be able to make with all these training, amazing training, the coaching, you're gonna have the system, the high ticket sales, all those cheap upfront products that are going to convert your customers to high ticket sales. All that stuff that you're going to get inside that you're not gonna be able to get anywhere else out there. So think about that. Think about the money you're going to be able to make. So it's an amazing opportunity if you want to get into this, because we have an amazing community and we're just constantly talking, we're improving everything, we're just adding new stuff every single day. There's a lot of conversations happening in there, so you should definitely be here. And it's the perfect time and perfect place for you to be, because this is going to change everything for you. This is just going to change everything for you. So something you should definitely check out. Okay, so I'm gonna put the button under this video, so you can just click the button to get us started on Aversity's Partners Program. I hope to see you inside. I look forward to seeing you inside. But let us know if you have any questions by sending us a question, or you can just reply to my email. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being in my workshop, and I look forward to seeing you inside Aversity. If you're ready, just click the link or the button under this video to get us started. I'll see you later on.